What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. I've got a little something on the lens here. I want to show you something I'm dealing with right now on the Ender 3 V3 Plus. I'm doing 6 different prints right now, and I've noticed I'm running kind of low on filament over here. So I didn't know if I could finish it, so I went ahead and canceled the back 2. That is correct. Creality now has the ability to do object canceling in your prints. Let me show you what that looks like inside of Creality Print. So this is pretty cool. If I go to the device tab here at the top and I look here on the very bottom, scroll down, you can see that these two are canceled out. So what this allows me to do is it actually skips any of those prints and actually just moves on to these 4. So it's super easy. If you find an object, you can just click it and then click whether or not you want to cancel it. Of course, I don't want to cancel that one, but watch it whenever it gets to those prints. Look at that, boom, skips right over them and goes ahead and moves. Let's see what it looks like on the printer itself. So it's running through these right now. So theoretically, it should go up to the top here and then just skip over them. Love that. Doesn't even have to move back, which is super nice. I remember in the early stages for Bamboo, it actually physically still moved to the objects and then skipped them and then moved to the next one. It looks like this just completely removes that from the G-code completely and just continues on. But yeah, you can already see the height difference in between the ones in the back and the ones that are in the front here. Super excited to use this feature, especially now that I'm running out of filament and I'm just trying to get through a roll, so I'm putting as much on there as I can, and when I get close to it, if I don't have the same filament or the same color per se, and I want to just go ahead and continue printing just certain things on the plate, you can do that. It's super easy. And for anyone that's curious, I am printing these little Zyn Can Inserts. So what these are is essentially just like a little insert that you can put inside of a Zyn tin can. I know these are super popular right now, so I thought I would hop on the trend. Sorry, the TV is glaring here, but yeah, it's like a little insert that you can just slide in to a Zyn can and allows you to separate the used little pouches you've used compared to the non-used, and it just, you know, fits on the little tin. It's just another thing I thought that may be cool to put up on my Etsy store, so that's why I'm creating it. I love designing things, and I thought, why not just try to see if I could sell a couple. So yeah, shout out to Creality for making another product and another feature that allows makers to continue making with ease. This isn't the last video for the Creality Ender 3 V3. So guys, if you want to follow along on the journey, hit the subscribe button below. I'll see you next time.